education in MIT is like drinking water from a fire hose. It's a lot of information in a short time.
The week is being perfect. I'm really impressed with all the effort that all the teachers are doing.
It's been extremely inspiring.
One thing that really resonated with me here is the focus they give on important stuff that matters. There's a huge focus on the human part, how important it is the connection between humans and how much it affects the success and failure of a company.
We've been taking classes with amazing professors and also having some group sessions to work on our project.
We are working on a feline coronavirus and we have a drug to hopefully treat it in the future.
My work aims to create equitable cities by working with migrant women in Lisbon.
So we've been learning a lot. This week was really, it unblocked a lot of things that were blocked in our process of development.
It's extremely humbling working towards the greater good of Portugal, if not the world.
It has given me a very different perspective and it exceeded my expectations.
I'm kind of sad it's over. It was a very intense week, but a very fruitful one.
By the end of the innovation workshop, they're exhausted, but it's fun. You see it suddenly click and they go, yeah, I can do this.
I think the more collaboration that you can get and when working with the MIT Portugal program really allowed folks here at MIT and people in Portugal come back and forth and take the best of both worlds and work together.